Hey everybody, Ralph and Kyle here. It's like 10:05 p.m. Crescent moon. Listen. Very weird sound. I've heard it before, I don't know what it is. Okay, we're gonna go and look for this thing. Sorry for the shaky video. I don't know what this thing is, but I've heard it before. I want to find out what it is. It sounds big, and I want it gone. Wow, it's really weird. I have an earlier video of this from last summer. Same thing, I've heard it, at least 20 times since last summer. It's April 21st, 2015. Must see my light, I don't hear it anymore. Oh my, this is really weird. I don't see anything down there. I don't know what it is. I've heard it before though. I'm not seeing anything down in the swamp. I have no idea what it is. I'm gonna head back into the house now. I gotta go.